So hi guys, it's June and welcome back to my hair growth challenge. And today is Wednesday. It is the first day of school. I am so excited because I get to have some time to myself so that I can make more videos. And yeah, it's just easy to film when all the kids are in school. So this is perfect. I did put a little makeup on for today. My hair is up. A lot of people like it up. I don't know. I just feel like it. I feel naked with it up, if that makes any sense. So as you know, I have been doing the hair growth challenge, and if you are not familiar with the hair growth challenge and you want to get in on the hair growth challenge, I am going to put up a card. It's going to be, I keep forgetting which way it comes out. It comes out either this way, it comes out that way. It comes out on the right side of your screen, so I don't know if this is being mirrored. Very weird. Okay, so yeah, hair growth challenge will be up there. You'll see it. You can click on it. It will take you to the beginning of this hair growth challenge. So let me just go through it really fast for you. I'm using neem oil to regrow my hair. I hear amazing, some things you have to watch out for when using neem oil. As far as like if you're trying to get pregnant or just other things, just do the research for yourself. And any products that I use here today, I will have links down below. If you can't find them where you live, then feel free to click on the links below to order. So yeah, I've been doing neem oil, and I have been using a carrier oil, which is Palmer Christie castor oil, which I love. You can use any other oil. You can use organic extra virgin olive oil. You can use oregano oil. You can use lavender oil, whatever you want, or you can use straight neem oil. The problem with neem oil is it does have a very I don't want to say strong scent, because I can deal with it. I really could. But it does smell, excuse me, to me, like some people say it smells like onions. I don't think it smells like onions. To me, it smells like peanuts. I don't know, old peanuts. Not that I've ever smelled old peanuts, but that's what it just reminds me of. So, yeah. So, okay. So what I'm doing today is I'm going to show you how I mix the neem oil, the castor oil, and lavender oil. I love lavender oil. Let's do a thumbnail for this. Right? Crazy. Hi. Okay. So what I have here is, I'm filming in my daughter's room. I have my little squeegee for my scalp, and I'm just going to put some neem oil in here. You can use gloves. I don't use gloves. There are different ways that you can apply this. Like, you can get in the shower, get your scalp nice and heated, massage your scalp before you apply the neem oil. I didn't do it today, so I just decided to make this video. So I'm just going to show you. And sometimes you can leave it on overnight. You can leave it on for 2 hours. That's what I'm doing today. I'm leaving it on for 2 hours. And you can do this. I'm doing it 3 times a week. Yeah. You can do it. Put a little more in. Okay. See, got some neem oil. Make sure you have a towel over you, which I do not, but make sure you have a towel, because don't forget it is oil, so don't wear it with a pretty blouse that you don't want to get stained, because you never know. It can drip down. Now I'm using my carrier oil, which is one of my favorites. Can you see that? Palmer Christie castor oil. So I'm putting some in here as well. Yeah. Just like that. I love the castor oil for my lashes too. Love it. Now I'm going to take, this is Nature Love Essential Oil. This is the lavender oil. I hope it's focusing. It probably isn't, but maybe if I go like that and then I zoom in, you'll see it. I'm going to put let's see, I'm going to put, how many drops? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's see how that smells. I love lavender oil. Yeah. And just shake it around. I want to see if the smell is different. It has to be completely different. A lot of people can't take that neem oil smell. I think I need a little bit more, but to each his own. You might not even need the lavender oil. You might want a little more, a little less. That's up to you. It's not going to hurt you. Lavender oil is so good. It has so many great benefits. So you're not doing anything wrong. You're still getting the benefits from the neem oil. So just remember that. All right, let me take a sip of my water before I take down this beautiful hairdo and start. Oh yeah, definitely gonna focus on myself now that the kids are in school. It's gonna be so wonderful. But I still have Jessie home because she works afternoons. So, all right, it's time to take this off. So I got my little 80s scrunchie in my hair. You know me, my 80s stuff, my dollar hoops. Look, I have no clip in my hair. My clip-in is here on my 80s clip. See? My clip-in. Okay, so, you know what? I think I gotta take the earrings off of this. Can't be too fancy when I'm doing it. Dollar hoops off. Are we ready? Are we ready? Are we ready? I'm ready. And I have my hair cap. This is so cheap, this hair cap. If any of you guys want to send me a hair cap, I'm going to leave my mailing address down below. If you have a really good hair cap that you want to send me, please do. I'm only kidding, you don't have to. But if you have one, you want to send them. I can't find them. I'm looking all over and I can't find them. I got these 99-cent ones and they're just like ripping, so. Okay, so here I go. I don't care what anyone says. I really feel like my hair is thicker. I'm sorry. I really do. I still have some flakes, and I think because maybe I don't oil my hair, I don't oil my hair as often as I should. I really should do it more often. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to look in the mirror over here, and oh yeah, I can definitely smell the lavender. Oh, definitely smells so much better. Still can smell the neem oil, but you know what? That's all right. Oh boy, so school started. It's crazy. It's Christopher's first day of high school. I'm just like, I'm like, oh my God, you know, like it's just, I can't believe how fast life is just going. You have to enjoy every second of life. And now at 50, I am realizing that if I don't want to do something, I'm saying no. I'm not doing stuff to please anybody anymore. It could be the smallest thing, the biggest thing. I have to take care of myself. I have to do what I want to do. I don't, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm that type that don't want to say no, but I'm just tired of it. You know, not saying, you know what, I'll do something if it benefits me, because I'm not like that. I'm not selfish like that. What I'm talking about is if I'm in the middle of something, like, you know, I work from home. I know I'm going to chit chat while I do this. I hope it's not so bright, this video. But you know what, when I'm home and I'm working, people feel that because I'm working from home that it's not really working. So people will call me up constantly and say, or ask, do you think you can help me here? Do you think you could do this for me? Do you think, hi, I'm working, like I'm working. I know people don't take that serious, but you know what? I needs to make money, whether it be filming for YouTube or whatever, selling my hair extensions. You know, it's money. It's what I do. I built it up for 5 years, you know, so I have to be here. And, you know, even though I have, what is it, the benefit now, even though I have the luxury of doing what I want, making my own hours, I cannot just abandon, you know, what I have built here just to take someone to a store or take a ride to Long Island. Like, I can't do that. And I used to do it a lot, and I'm not doing it anymore. You know what? I don't mind helping people out, but then it's got to be on my terms. Not my terms. It's got to be on my time. You know what I'm saying? I do notice, I know last week I said that my grays are coming in. Let me tell you, my grays are coming in so much slower. My hair would have had, like, it's already what, 2 weeks, over 2 weeks, and I really don't see a lot of gray. So that makes me happy. There's gray back here a lot more than over here, because when I dye my hair, I really don't put it all over in the back like I should. Like, I probably have so much gray in the back. I know my last video I did a rant. Not a rant, I guess just, I don't know, my truth, you know, what I do, and just how people get annoyed at me. And I guess it's normal. But you know what? I realized I did address the haters. But I have so many people that love me. And you know what? I want to address all you guys. And I love you all so much. And you know, your comments, like 98% of the comments are just amazing, uplifting. You guys make me feel so good about myself, and I love to do the same for you. However, I can't comment on your videos, and I wish I could, but you guys are amazing, and thank you so much. And when I'm down, all I have to do is go into my comment section, and I'm flooded with such beautiful comments. And yeah, I just wanted to say thank you very much. Oh, all right, I'm gonna do the rest of my head. Hey, I can just move it around a little bit, just a little bit. I'm doing massage. Massage for like 10 minutes. This feels so good. It feels better when somebody else does it. Now, the one thing I'm not doing today, usually I take the rest of the oil, which isn't much, but I would oil, well, maybe I'll do that. I'll just go over my hair a little bit and oil it, but some people really saturate their hair with oil, and yeah, I don't want to do that, because even though the lavender oil is in here, I can still smell the neem, and I just don't feel like saturating my hair with that smell right now. See? Get the blood flowing. What's that song? Let your blood flow like a bird on a plane. I know that's not the words. Who knows the words to that? Let your love flow like, I say, like a bird on a plane. It makes no sense. Ah, feels good. Yes. Okay. Alrighty then. I think my arms are very tired. Running my fingers through my hair. Yeah, buddy, yeah. So let me know, guys. Let me know what essential oils you are using with the neem oil, or if you're using any, whatever. Just let me know. You know, I can change it up a little bit. I think peppermint oil is good, is also good. So I want to see if I can change it up a little bit. You know, it doesn't have to be lavender oil every time I do it, but you know, I mean, the first week I did neem and castor oil. Second week I did neem oil, and now wow, we're on week 4. Oh, week 4 is coming up on Friday. So maybe I did the neem and the castor oil, yeah, twice. Then I did the neem oil, and now I'm doing the neem lavender and the castor oil. Yeah, changing it up. Come on, I like change. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna put this on like this. So I'm gonna stay like this for 2 hours, and that's it. I'll be washing it out, and whatever. And then I'll see you guys on Friday, because Friday I will show you the up close and personal, see if there was any change. I really feel that there is. Some of you say, no, it looks the same. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I see change because I really want it to be different. I don't know. But just comment down below. Let me know how the hair growth challenge is working for you. And I'll see you all back here on Friday. Bye, guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.